Hey, today I'll show you how to disable the Gmail mail notifications on an iPhone, and I will show you a trick how to disable every kind of notifications, especially the hidden ones. So that being said, let's open the Gmail mail app. Is this one, and inside here what you have to do. Okay, let me turn off these features so we can get back to our tutorial. All right, in the top left corner you can find three lines. Let's hit them and scroll down until you find settings. Hit that, and inside here you can locate email notifications, and mine on default is set on all new email. I will select none and press on done, but you will still receive the notifications of kind like we miss you, you haven't checked your emails in a while. So in order to disable every kind of notifications, let's close this app, go inside the settings of your iPhone. I'll hit the settings. Inside here you have to find notifications, is this one. And inside notifications, try to locate the Gmail mail app which you open to check your emails. Is this one. Here you can find every app which you have installed, and at the top you can see allow notifications. I will turn this feature off, and what I just did, I just disabled every notifications from Gmail mail. So this is the way how to do it. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.